Digital marketing tip number 21. Okay, how to improve your website speed. Okay, guys, look, I think you already know, time and time, as time keeps going, it's getting a lot harder to get people's attention, let alone getting them to do what we want, to spend more time on our website, right? And if you're spending money on AdWords, Facebook, whatever platform, LinkedIn, and you're getting people to your website, or you're doing organic such as SEO and optimizing your website, and they're not spending time because of your website slow, that is costing you heavily, whether it's time or money or effort, okay? So obviously, it's important to improve your website speed, because it'll also help you with your Google with your advertising on Facebook, Google. All platforms want you to succeed with your website so that they can promote your website better, okay? And it'll also help you with your organic SEO ranking. So how do you improve your website speed? So guys, look, I know you don't have to be technical. All you have to do is go onto Google and Google website speed test. Once you've done that, there you will see one of the links on the search phrases, which should be something like developers.google.com/website speed test. So from that website, click on it and it will allow you to put in your URL. Okay, that's your website domain name, such as www.mrmarketing.ie, for example, as my website, okay? So, or successfulmedia.ie, our company website. So from there, if you click enter, analyze, it will then do a report and it will show you how fast your website is on mobile and how fast it is on desktop, okay? So always prioritize your website for mobile first, because 95% of the traffic, if you look in your Google analytics section, how your website, how people are navigating, how people are finding your website, what devices, it will show you it's mobile, because more and more people are using mobile now, okay? So when you get that report to understand what sections of your website you can improve to get more better speed on your website can be more advanced and faster, you can then, if you're non-technical, you can get a developer to fix that for you. At least then you save money rather than them analyzing and it's costing you money and then they have to do so many other services. You can literally get them to just do what you need to do, because Google will give you a download of the files or basically the roadmap of what needs to be changed in order to increase your website speed. Okay, guys, it's vital you increase your website speed. Look, people spend less than 9 seconds on a website waiting for it to load. Like if the website doesn't load in less than like five seconds or 9 seconds, depending on your different industry, it's costing you, okay? So improve that as fast as possible. Hope that's helped. Digital marketing tip number 21. I've been Galinda, Mr. Marketing. Let's connect and see you soon.